In this tutorial, you will learn how to install or reinstall Phone Link in Windows 11 and Windows 10. First, open the Microsoft Store. Search for Phone Link. Click on Phone Link. Press the Get button to start downloading Phone Link. Wait for Phone Link to be downloaded and installed. Now your Phone Link app should be installed. Now open your Phone Link app. If you want to reinstall the app, first open your Start menu. Type PowerShell. Click on Run as Administrator. Now copy the text that you will find in the description of this video. Right-click the PowerShell window and paste the text. Now press Enter. Now your Phone Link app should be uninstalled. Type Exit and then press Enter to close the PowerShell window.